Alright guys, got another video. We are drawing a jet. The canvas size that I used on this one was 30 by 30. Drew this a long time ago. But we need one for our game and I never made a video on it, so here's the GIF. You can see that the jet looks normal and the engines kind of heat up and then the flames come on at the bottom down there, so it looks like it's taken off or whatever. So we're gonna make something like this for ourselves. The canvas was 30 by 30. We're gonna use, let's go ahead and open up a new pixel art. Let's do a new drawing. I'm gonna use 50 by 50. Actually, I'm gonna use 51. 51, so there's a center point. So 51 by 51. And then I am going to turn on this mirror mode here for the X. And I'm going to start drawing my shape of my jet. That looks terrible. Something like that. I don't know. That's okay, I guess. Let's add some engines here. It's too big. It's too big. It's too big, he says. Alright, let's try it again. Like this. Like that. Alright, not too bad. Ooh, I don't like that top part. It can look like that if you want. I don't know. You just got to get a shape that you're happy with. That works. Okay, now I need some jet engine parts down here, or the engine. That'll work. And then the cockpit for the pilot. Looks good. Let's take a look at this one back again. Looks fine. Now we need some, probably like, we could put like a fin here. I don't know if that's going to show up like a fin, but that's what the goal is right there. I don't know if that's going to show up the way we want it, but hey. Alright, let's choose a color for our jet. I'm very partial to green. That's very green. There we go. Alright. I might want to pull that down a little bit, make it longer for my engines. I don't know. I don't know how that looks yet, what I think about it. Let's do some shading. Oh, we need a color for the cockpit there, so gray. This part here, I want it to be a fin. I don't know how to do that right this second. Let's try something. No. No. The problem with doing such low resolution like the canvas size is you can't add as much detail. Alright, let's just use a different green. And let's take a look at this one. Gray. Alright, so let's grab gray. There we go, that looks good. And we will fill this up. And time to let's try white. I don't know what that's gonna look like. Okay. Time for our magical light and darken tool. Darken this top part here. Tool that gets me out of so many problems. We all have those objects or tools that get us out of all of our problems. My cousin Dallas, his tool is the hammer. He hits everything with a hammer. Alright, let's see. Darken that. One darken. Like so. Doing a couple clicks there. Let's make it a little. Oops. Oh, I clicked on it. I guess it doesn't matter. It's already black. What if I added a little point? Yeah, that looks better. Make sure I didn't just draw something I didn't mean to. Okay. It's already starting to look so much better. I'm telling you, this light and darken tool fixes everything. Makes the world go round. That and a little bit of patience, I think. Lightening the back side of that. Alright. Let's put a little bit of different color on there. I don't know what this is going to look like, but we're going to give her a shot. Let's see. Alright, lighten and darken tool, help us out. And let's do a couple of gray marks here. No. I really like this jet already. Alright, so that's looking good. Oh, need some light and darken right here. Almost missed that. There we go. Alright, so I like this. I'm going to copy this frame. And now we need to start heating the engines up so they can look like they're flying. Let's start with this color here. Probably lighten that a little bit. Oops. So I'm just lightening it. It was too dark. Copy frame. Darken now. Copy frame. Copy frame. All right. And now I want the last couple of frames here to like flicker back and forth. So I'm going to, I've got two of the same frame. So on this one, I'm going to erase a couple of these. And I'll copy this frame and move it over. It's hard to see because it's not letting me. See what it looks like. Yeah, something like that. Maybe add another one in between there. So like copy this frame and erase a couple and add a couple. And then in Godot, we can just, rotate those last couple pictures around. Make sure that you save this one as a pixel for sure, because you might want to come back and play around with the flames coming out the bottom. So I'll do File, Save as Pixel, Green Jet. I like that one. I'll add that into my game for sure. Okay, so that's that. We've got our jet. Engines come on and they burn a little bit, and we can use that in our game. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.